Stop throwing banana peels in the trash. You could be tossing away one of the best natural fertilizers for your garden. Banana peels are naturally rich in potassium, an essential nutrient that helps plants produce more flowers, healthier fruits, and stronger stems. They also contain small amounts of phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, which support healthy root development and overall plant growth. The best way to use banana peels is to cut them into small pieces, dry them completely in the sun, and grind them into a fine powder. Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of the banana peel powder around the base of your plant. Gently mix it into the soil and water thoroughly. Applying it once or twice a month is usually enough for most plants. Avoid placing fresh banana peels directly into the soil in large amounts. They decompose slowly and may attract insects or other pests. If you love simple, science-backed gardening tips, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more gardening hacks.